Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom subscribe button. So let's go. First you want to go into YouTube and find like a green screen button. Type it into your search bar. So now I am going to find one. So let's just find one that I like. So I chose this one. I can't remember who it's by, but it'll be in the description. Thanks. So that's what I did. Screen record that, and then go on Safari and type in like the background you want. I'll just put aesthetic wallpaper. It's easy, sorry, I was looking through comments. And go to images and scroll through. I chose this starry one. I'm going to add that to your photos. Then go into an Apple app called iMovie. And press new and make the movie. So you want to select the photo that you chose. You can do it with videos too, but just one. You can keep keyburns on as I did because it just makes it more animated. So yeah, like that. And you want to go to video and do this. I accidentally did this wrong on the screen record because either two black lines. So you need to like go and make a new video using that. So and now I discovered that I did that wrong. So you need to make a new movie. Sorry, hay fever. And you need to use the button. Cut down the bit you ending the screen recording. And zoom in if you need to. I zoomed in a bit too much here, so then just like center it how you want it to be. So once you've done that, save that video. I'll just use medium. And then go back to your movie and edit it. Right. So then you want to go into video and press the three dots and press green screen / blue screen. So then you'll see this green line is around it, kinda. It's kind of greyish tone where that is. So to fix that, you need to tap on that video itself and pull the strength right up. Down will leave a green line, up won't. And then that just sizes it. So this could be the finished product. You could do really anything with it. You could do an outro, whatever you want. So then you need to press done and save it. And I really hope you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and